Ha kajing kendo ba kinong patay kubor ha kakar witrik ujemang hajar arpuar. Kinong elam jong kesenjuk kinong hikai skul ad hoc ki bahapok ksatri jong ka FASTOM kilapan bena managadaw jong kajing lek menti ke sorkar ki mat jingdawa jong ki nado kakar artrik ujemang hajar arpuar kin Sdang Biang ke Jingiakhih de ba penlong da kajing lang patba ba shwa kajing lang patba kenyat lengwa ke sekretariat Shillong ban pertajam lor ki mat jingdawa jong ki. Kinong ngelam ke FASTOM kilapan pauru yak jing so benyau bau menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bau ulale menti ban aipor kinong ngelam ban kendo markmat bat u. Barwala nagaliang jogi panpor ban bu sengi ban kendo iki nado ka shitrek ban jemang hajar arpuar ndrai hadu menta umpat chimtre ban kendo iki.
Why are you so interested in all these developmental activities? Another thing, how are these tenures or how are these tenders tendered? How and where does the government of Meghalaya give away these tenders? So that is also an interesting point. Why is the government of Meghalaya more interested in festivals? Why not in developing the teachers? Interested more in festivals? Maybe. There are so many different kinds of things that can come out of these festivals. So today we are tired. We cannot wait any longer. So tomorrow we have decided that at 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally. And this rally, we will stay there outside of the secretariat if the government allow us. And we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? The MDA government is so adamant. It's because the NPP is looking for an absolute majority in the 2023 elections. Now, if we take a look at the portfolios that are being held, the Education Minister is from the UDP. Then the Chief Minister is from the NPP. The finance is being held by the NPP. Then the education sector is being held by the UDP. Now we can see this is the problem of a coalition government. There is a conflict of interest. We do not know who is playing politics here. Is it the Education Minister who is playing politics with us? Or is it the Chief Minister who is playing politics with us? But I want to make a statement clear here. We are not interested in the politics that are being played by the UDP or by the NPP. We are not interested by the politics that are being played by all these other political parties as well. The only thing that we are interested right now is we demand our rights. It is our right. We demand a state where we can live with dignity, with respect, where we will not have to go back to the streets. Yes, this is not the problem that has been started by the MDA government or by the NPP government. But this is a problem that has been there since a very long time. Every now and then. It is comical now. Some are going to this party, some are going to this party, some are more interested in this party. One representative at this point of time, he's standing from this party, then he moves on to another party. What about the interests of the people? You're only thinking about your own interests. Today you like this party, you are with this party. Tomorrow you do not like this party anymore, you move away to another party. What about us? We common citizens. What about us? You stand for us, you represent us, you are there for us. But why are you more interested in changing your clothes?